Hey guys, Johnny W. Project DIY here. I just have a quick tool haul video I wanted to share with you guys. Uh, a couple months ago, watching another video, saw these Klein tools, the American Forge series. Honestly, I didn't know anything about them up until then. I really liked them. I don't know if you remember my last video. I talked about how I had a bunch of tools in a tool bag and they got all rusted up, and some of the tools here that I got recently was replacements for the ones that got all rusty. So I just wanted to again share all these with you and let you know they're, well, as of a month ago I started getting them, and I had to actually go to several different Lowe's stores to get these. Some of them I drove about an hour away uh, to get them. So these are still available if you guys are interested at some of the Lowe's stores. That's the only place I've found them. And I believe Acme Tools had some of these. Don't hold me to that though. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get these opened up, and we'll take a look at them. I got these to use. I'm not gonna, I wanted to collect them, but I also want to use them. The part number on the screwdrivers is 8544374, and there's the different screwdrivers: 1/4 inch slotted, number 2 square, and number 2 Phillips. And they're made in the USA, as all these are made in the USA. And these are the Lineman Pliers. Again, like I said, my other Lineman Pliers, which weren't Klein, got all rusted up. They weren't that great. I had them for years. But anyways, these, the part number is D2139NE74. And again, made in the USA. And these are the 9-inch Lineman Pliers. And these are the wire strippers. The part number on these is K1109574. And these wire strippers, the handles are shaped a little bit different than my other Klein wire strippers. But again, they're basically about the same size. The handles are a little bit longer and on these, and these handles are a little bit thicker. I think these might be like the comfort grip, but these are still pretty comfortable in your hand. But again, I just wanted to get all of these Klein tools just for, the fact that they're all made in the USA, and just, the collectability of them. So there's that. Get this opened up. Actually, I think this just pulls open. And here's the needle nose. They all have this USA flag on them. I already had a pair of Klein flush cutters, but like I said, I wanted to get these just because they went with this collection. I'll probably put this pair in that box and put most of this stuff in my electrical organizer. Oh, and the part number, I already gave you that one. The part number on the flush cutters is D275574. So basically, you got the slotted screwdriver, and then on the end it tells you it's slotted. So if you have these in a tool bag or something like that, you can easily see. And then you got the square, number 2 square. And then you got the number 2 Phillips. So that's it. Just wanted to let you know I got these, and I'm going to be replacing some of the stuff that I had in my electrical organizer. Replacing some of this with this stuff here. But again, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Look forward to seeing any comments. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon. And thanks for watching.